Welcome back to AUTOID TV, and today we're going to be doing an install video on the G80, G42 and kind of i4 new M series mirror covers. So here in this box we have the new TRE mirror covers. Let's have a little look what's in the box. This one's been repackaged as these are pre-production models, so when you get yours it might look a little bit nicer than this, don't worry. So these are mirror caps. They're a straight replacement for the original caps, and crucially they're available in left-hand drive for the guys that drive on the right side of the road, and on the UK roads they're right-hand drive. So subtle differences between the two, but essentially these mirrors are more compact on one side and wider on the other, and that kind of tends to be the difference between left-hand drive and right-hand drive. So it's very important you get the side that is correct for your market. These are TRE Pre-Preg carbon, which means not only are they carbon on the outside, but on the inside you can still see this carbon weave, and that essentially just means that it's only one or two thin layers of carbon. These are super lightweight. You can't really get that across on camera, but they're very, very lightweight. And then they're on the inside, they're supported by plastic clips, so you're still going to get the original fitment that you would expect. Carbon twill on this is 2x2, which is exactly the same as M Performance carbon. So if you've got M Performance carbon on the car already, this is going to match straight in nice. Right, now let's show you how to install it. So I'm only going to need 3 tools for this. Got a screwdriver here with a T10 drill bit in it, a pair of pliers just in case any clips get stuck, and then also a little squeegee here which is going to help us pop the glass out of the mirror. Cool, so step number 1, I'm going to push this glass so it's facing the sky, so I've got a maximum amount of room under there. So with this unclipped now, we've got access to the clips that are holding in the mirror cap, so I'm going to grab my pliers and we're going to force the cap out from the inside. On this inside edge here there is a clip that faces that way. So once this is clipped off, you need to bend the cap and push it towards the car to get that clip out. You essentially need to rotate the cap round and push that way and it will pop off. So now we're just going to use our T10 drill bit to unbolt this screw and this screw. That's going to release the indicator, at which point we're going to change the indicator over and insert the new cap. So this plastic indicator kind of slots into the cap and goes right. So we're just going to slot it back and pop out. So by doing that, I'm going to put my thumb on here, I'm going to pull it to the side, and that will release it. And that will release it. Grab the new cap, and we're now just going to reverse what we just did. So now we're just going to place the screws back in. Cool, so that's both screws in, and now we're just going to pop the cap back on. Going round the cap round the base to get the cap on, and then making sure that this side slots in. So now the cap's all slotted in. You'll know it's slotted in properly when this line here is all nice. Sometimes this layer can come up over the bezel here, so just make sure that slots in so you can get a nice flush finish. But yeah, flush all the way around, and once that's done and you're happy with the fitment, you can then pop your glass back in. And that's it, and then obviously repeat on the other side. Easy as that. And that's what we're going to do, and do some cinematics of that, and we'll catch up with you at the end. That's it, nice easy install, nice easy video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. The product is available, the link's in the description, and if you have any questions, please speak to a member of the team. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.